Uh, what do you got there?
Just some wild birds. Yeah, found some wild birds in the field.
What are you gonna do with wild birds?
I'm gonna play games with them. I like to poke them with a stick, make them go, caw, caw, caw. And then I rattle the cage around and make them think it's an earthquake, and they love that.
What do you do after you're done playing with them?
I'll probably feed my cat. Yeah, my cat likes wild birds. He's got 3 legs. We call him Tripod.
I really like wild birds.
You do?
Yes. And I'd like to buy those birds off of you.
Why? They're just wild birds. They don't know any tricks or nothing. And when you open the cage, they're just going to fly away.
I'd still like to buy them.
Okay.
Alright, how much?
$5.
Alright, $5.
$15.
Okay, $15.
$20.
They're just wild birds.
They're exotic birds.
You found them in a field.
An exotic field.
Alright, $20.
See you looking at the cage.
What's in the cage?
You know what's in there.
Mankind.
Funny thing is, they put themselves in there. I had nothing to do with it.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to play games.
What kind of game?
All kinds of games. I'm going to put games in their lives that fill them with so much pleasure they'll think right is wrong and wrong is right. Turn their whole world upside down.
And then?
Eternal damnation.
My father and I, we really love mankind.
I know.
I'd like to buy their freedom.
By these humans.
Yeah,
They're just going to turn on you.
I know.
It'll cost you your tears.
Yes.
Your blood.
Yes.
It's going to cost you your life.
I know.
You give your life for these humans.
I'd give all that I